Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is a mystic alternative rock song, a little bit of the style of Red Hot Chili Peppers. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Link is in the description box below. Yeah, so what is it that this about? I was searching for ideas. Well, I'm gonna show you first before I talk. And let's see what I mean. Yeah, and so on. So I was just starting a phrase which I didn't finish. I was searching for ideas to get the guitar sounding more bassy, you know, and the Red Hot Chili Peppers had a lot of songs with the really special chords, and that's the way they're done. These ones. So we're gonna check out the chords which I found out for you and the way you can play with this stuff and how you can really get a cool vibe out of this. The effect which I'm using here is a little bit overdriven, I must say, but I love it. It's a stereo tape delay set on the quarter beat and a multi-delay which doubles up, so there are two delays. There's a normal stereo delay and a double delay behind which doubles up the whole thing and which creates this. It's really awesome, and I select the tape delay because this gives this more ambient sound, you know. Yeah, but let's get started now with the chords. Yeah guys, in my quest for new sounds on the guitar, as I said, I was looking for how to, with a normal tune guitar, you can make your guitar sound more like a bass guitar. And there's one thing which I found. This song is really simple. We have three chords. We have G minor, we have B major, and F, which are really normal chords. But now, let me quickly switch off the hard delay settings because otherwise it's getting a little bit too wild to follow what I'm doing. So we have here, and I'm choosing a so-called drop two voicings. I play the G minors like this. Here index in the third, pinky in the fifth, and ring finger in the third, and with the open D string in between. In this case, and you play the low four strings. In the case of this chord, there's not such a big difference because these two notes are the same, but it gives you more, it really highlights the bassy sound because two notes are double, and this D here continues when you go. See, you do the same thing again here. You make a drop two voicing, 6th fret, 8th fret, open D string, and middle finger in the 7th fret. And see how this sounds nice. And then you just move down to F and to G. See how this open D string connects the chords with each other. here I make a finger picking pattern. It goes like this. So you just go, thumb is on the low E string, index finger on the A string, middle finger on the D string, and ring finger on the G string. Just da 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 da. Then you move up. Same pattern. Sometimes you make a double bass. And since you're using the open D string, you can move down without any interruption in the sound. So see how bassy and Red Hot Chili Peppers style alike it sounds, because they use a lot of these chords, you know, special chords which make guitar sound like a bass guitar, you know. And I found that really interesting. And now if we switch on the multi-delay again, we get this huge sound just from one guitar. Well, Red Hot Chili Peppers often use really dry effect settings, but in this case I prefer really this see, it's really nice. So let's play a little bit along with a track which I created. I also added some strings and a fretless bass, which is quite cool and fits into this ambient mystic sound. So let's do this now. See how you can build up a song just with 3 chords by playing louder, more intense, and the harder you attack, then of course the more delay comes in. And this way you can build up a song, as in this case, where more instruments come in and like whoa, but you're only playing 3 chords. Yo. So now let's check out some ideas for melody. We're in G minor, so I suggest the G minor pentatonics. I don't really know, let me check what you can do here. Yeah. Now here comes a trick. You open up, you follow the chords. First you have a G minor, so this is the triad of the G minor, this one here in the 3rd fret. And then when it goes to B, you open a phrase which leads to the triad of the B. And now the chord goes down, but to make a counterpoint, before you go down, you go up, and now you go down. By doing counterpoints, you really can do really nice stuff, and this opens up a simple melody, you know. If you would just go down, that's okay, but when you first go up instead of down, it opens more up. Or you can first go down, and the second time you go up and then down. Let's see that one. It also works. Now we do the other one. And to open up a theme, then next time you go up. So. And then chord B, 7th fret here, 6th fret here, and then to F. You stay in the 6th fret and go here in the 7th fret. These are a few ideas what you can do. I mean, it's up to you. I just want to give a few ideas how you can create a simple melody just following the chords. And since you only have 3 chords, you need to do a few tricks. As I said, go up instead of down, just to open up the thing and let a melody develop. And that's the main thing about this. Yeah, guys, that was now the tutorial. Mystic alternative rock, Red Hot Chili Pepper style. I just want to give you some ideas out of the normal thinking in the normal box, you know. I mean, it's cool to play the normal stuff, but sometimes you want to sound different. And if you want to, and the really cool thing to make the guitar sound more like a bass guitar or a baritone guitar, either you buy a baritone guitar or you use, in this case in G minor, these 3 chords, and it sounds like, it sounds completely different than the normal stuff which you know. And that's the main idea of today's tutorial, and also to add a nice melody. If you want to download the tabs and the backing track, which I just created now, it's available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there, and with a free account, and to download it you need a premium membership account, and with that you also help for Dr. Pink and me to keep the work going on, you know. But it's something there for everybody, so please join there. And also please support my channel by telling all your friends about this channel. Help to let it grow and blossom. Yeah, and me and Dr. Pink are saying goodbye and playing a little bit for you to give you some nice vibe for whatever.